Tindihan ng tao. 6 billion. Magkano ba yung ninanakaw sa gobyerno? Madam Chair, I note that in 2024, please DOF confirm this, the Bureau of Internal Revenue had already stopped collecting the VAT on UCME. When previously it was collecting, just like systems loss now, and sinasabi po nila na hindi kaya, pero sumunod, 2024. Just kindly correct the information if this is accurate. Thank you.
Good afternoon po, Senator. Yes po, because of RMC 116/2024, the universal charge was exempted for the payment of VAT because it's already a government mandated charges. So therefore, because the universal charges was remitted to the PISAM, which the PISAM will be the one to distribute the universal charges.
Ibig ko lang sabihin, Madam Chair, pag gugustuhin, kayang ibaba ang kuryente at no cost to the consumers, ginawa na yan ng BIR sa UCME. Tapos, I just take note on the example raised by the DOF. Pag tanggalin ang VAT o ibaba ang VAT, mawawala ng subsidy ang SUC. Hindi po apples and apples. It's a general pool in our GAA. So, for those who do not understand the budget, and that's not those in the room, those who are watching, ganun ba? Huwag natin i-mislead. Sasabihin natin, ehemplo ito. Pwede mo rin sabihin, kung maging systematic, efficient, at bawasan o tanggalin ang katiwalian, korupsyon, ay kaya natin na walang epekto sa taong bayan. Huwag niyo sabihin, pag walang VAT, walang SUC. Pag walang VAT, walang tulong sa DOH. Hindi naman naka-earmark ang VAT para sa edukasyon at para sa kalusugan eh. Iklaro natin ganun. Kasi yung example nyo, hinanpick nyo yung maintindihan ng tao. 6 billion. Magkano ba yung ninanakaw sa gobyerno o nawawala sa inefficiency? Okay, so I just wanted that pointed out. Time.
And then
Yes,
we have
thank you.
people that have to speak.
In line with what you said, mahirap talaga yung input-output. What is the effect of just zero rating instead of exempting? Binanggit ni Madam Chair, yung iba nga. So, i-zero rate natin ang systems loss o di hindi kayo mahirapan sa input-output?
Madam
Thank
Chair,
you.
for the revenue, it will be higher. It's around 158 billion per year. For the businesses, it will be neutral. Wala pong impact sa cost of businesses nila yon. Kasi nga po, since wala nang output and then wala din namang input, so cost neutral po yan for businesses, yung yung VAT zero rating for businesses.
For the
For
consumers,
consumers, assuming po na complete price pass-through, pwede pong bumaba.
walang epekto sa business, anong pwedeng bumaba? Siyempre, bababa pag magtatanggal ka ng buwis. Oo, bababa. Maski ba konti? Bababa, tas wala naman epekto sa business, so pwedeng zero rated, di ba? At saka, yun nga yung puntos eh. Nagtatanggal na kayo ng VAT sa UCME eh. So yung, dadagdagan ko, yung lifeline, yung senior citizens na vina-VAT ninyo, pwede naman tanggalin kasi it's the same principle as UCME. Pero sabi nga ni Chair, o sige, mag-present sa iba, yun ang puntos ko, pwede. Ginawa ng BIR ng 2024. Thank you. Krisis talaga, maski counting bawas lang, malaking bagay. At ginawa na nga ng BIR ng 2024. So ang UC at Lifeline at Senior Citizens, pati systems loss, similar in principle. That's just my point.